All right, I'm going to show you how to access your assessment while going through your A-Leaf Hub and getting to your HMH portal. Okay. Once you're in your A-Leaf Hub, you want to find the app that says EDHMH. Okay. Once you find it, go ahead and click it. Now yours may look different than mine. Once you're in, you would go to your assignments and look for the online assessment Amazing Animals Weekly Assessment 3. You click into it. Yours should automatically open and present you with the option to hear the directions. Okay, there's a play button, and once you have heard the directions, you simply push go. All right, I hope that this helps. Thank you.